Alright guys, we're in the animals. Here is a baby. Ooh. Oh crap. She's coming for me. Ah, I just stepped in poop. Nice. Alright guys. They're coming. Let's go. Let's get in this action. There is. Let me introduce you guys. Here is our first.
Hello.
Say your name.
My name is Katie.
And I'll introduce the second. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Vicky.
And third, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Karen.
And right here we're in Chelsea, Iowa. Very beautiful. So you got Ernie. Ernie. Say hello, Ernie. There he is. We got Kevin. Doesn't really. We got Suka. We got Baby. We got Butterscotch. We got everybody in the house. So. Oh yeah, I forgot about the pigs. Let's go see. The pigs. So. We're gonna walk in. We got some pigs right here. There they all are. I don't know all the names, but here are
Did you get that on video?
yeah, that was
Trying to ride piggyback. Beautiful. Come here.
we have Veda.
Hi, Veda. That's the
got
one who
Veda.
bites Papa.
We have Kevin and Ernie in the house. We got Suka in the house.
Where's Stella?
Yeah, everybody.
Ooh, the camera on too fast.
And
Look.
they're going to ride.
Piggyback.
They're riding.
Aw, aren't they adorable? This is really great what you do, Mrs. Nelson.
Hey!
We're saying all these great things.
She is recording.
Rabbit.
This is wonderful.
All right, I'm gonna introduce you guys to the rabbits. They're over here. Here is Dolly, I think. We have, I don't know that one, and we have Charlie up there. A lot of good dogs. Hey, Suka, or rabbits, whatever we know. Here's Suka. She wants to eat the camera, but, so right now Ernie's just chilling. Make sure to donate and link in the description below. And make sure to subscribe, like it, and this is dope. So, we're introducing, here's Ernie. Hi. Please subscribe and like the video for free cookies. Yay. Alright guys, so we got Baby. Oh yeah, and we got Suka, we got everybody. So, here is Veda again. We got Veda. We have a bunch of.
Look at the goat. I like that name.
There's a goat,
I like that.
and the goat is checking out Vicky. So, there's all three pigs. There's Veda, and so what I also want to do. And there's Katie.
Oh no! What?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Got me and I can't get one.
Oh no.
Pull it back.
Oh no.
There you go.
That could have been bad. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. And so we got them. We have some animal crackers I have gotten eaten. Yes. So let me cut to when we're back.